Let's bring it home now, away from Paris to Lagos, where the State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Lawal Pedro, says it is important to create more awareness on the roles of Office of the Administrator General and Public Trustee in the state in ensuring equitable share of assets of the deceased and proceeds among the qualified beneficiaries. Pedro says this at the stakeholders sensitization program themed Enhancing Public Trust, Repositioning Office of the Administrator General for improved service delivery. Margaret Josu reports.
The death of property owner, family members struggle on how to share the deceased property, causing disagreements and in most cases leading to court issues. To resolve such challenges among members and as well reduce the burden on judges who may eventually hear the matter, Office of the Administrator General and Public Trustee holds a stakeholders forum to create more awareness on the process of helping families to ensure the properties of deceased are distributed according to their wills and how government can facilitate letters of administration for families to utilize in case of individuals that did not write their wills before their demise.
You see people who have trappings all over the world, who have made so much money, who have property all over, scattered all over the world, not making any form of disposition as to how their estates should be distributed after they are long gone. And that becomes an issue.
We have an appraisal of the present probate administration procedure and process, what we have currently in our hands, identify the defects and challenges in the present probate administration process, which makes it impossible to achieve efficient and effective service delivery.
But I must say that as Administrator General, you must begin to think out of the box. I've said it, we must begin to look at investments, even with the properties of the deceased, with the consent of the beneficiary. Once there is a proper investment with transparency, with proper authority, it will be better off.
The Lagos State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Lawal Pedro, assured Lagos residents of government's commitment at protecting more beneficiaries.
No timeline for a case. State Council has to wait too long to gather parties together for meetings. So in most times, there are lots of adjournments which ideally shouldn't be more than twice. But what do we see? We see a lot of cases being adjourned for a long time.
As we are trying to work out with the administration of civil justice law to ensure that should not last for too long in our courts. It is disheartening, it could be embarrassing, and because life of interest of beneficiaries may be dependent on that.
Various speakers stressing the congestion also that individuals need to understand the importance of writing will and taking responsibility to sanitize their ends. Margaret Josu, LTV News.